Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, you're going to learn how to link websites on Notion really quickly and without any advanced technical knowledge whatsoever. So drop a like and now let us jump right into it. Head over to your workspace on Notion. And what you want to do, guys, is, for example, let's say you have a page like this here. Let's say, for example, you would like to link, you can link on to any word or part of your text or page you like. So let me go with that word or expression here just for the sake of this tutorial. So this is how you add website links to your text here on Notion. Simply highlight the part of the text where you'd like to place the hyperlink in. So let me highlight that part of that line here, website here. And once you have highlighted the text or part of the text, you will see that menu popping up here at the top. So from that menu, simply select that one here, add link. Alternately, use the shortcut Ctrl-K on your keyboard. After that, you will see that small menu popping up here. So here you may paste the URL of the destination page you would like to link to. So just for the sake of this tutorial, let me go with google.com, copy the URL here at the top, head back to your Notion workspace, and paste the URL of the destination page here. After that, you will see a suggestion link below. So confirm by left clicking on it. And that is going to add the link to your text here on Notion. So if I hover my mouse over the highlighted text, you will see the linked website URL below. And also, guys, if you click on that website, you will be redirected automatically to the destination page. And that's how it works here on Notion. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.